Alright, so this is my Harvey Alpha table saw. This is a 10-inch, 2 horsepower cabinet table saw, model HW110LC 36P. This is not the one with the gold coated cast iron tops, but this just arrived today and I ordered it January 17th. So the shipping was delayed. The communication with Harvey was not real good, but it's finally here and the product came in nicely packaged. All the other pieces I'll show you, they're behind here right now. But this is going to be my first unboxing of this thing and first impressions. Let's see how this is. Okay, so far it looks great. This is one of the better packages for something this big that I've seen. I'm going to start on this side right here because it looks like the wing is on here. So it's nice and easy. Okay, it is not a cast iron wing. Looks like some sort of plastic or HDF. We'll take a look at that in a bit. Boy, that's heavy. I believe those are going to be the rails. That looks like it might be an included blade. They put a lot of components inside the actual saw to save space, which I don't mind. It's pretty good. Let's see, power switch, we can leave that inside for now.